key, click the chroma key, then hit OK. As you can see here, the screen is showing up now. Yeah, green screen. And then you can make it similarity. The green screen must be in a solid color like this one, and then hit close, and then you can see here, voila. Hello, today I am going to show you how to change the background in OBS software, and to give you more knowledge about this OBS software, I will teach you two processes today: how to change the background using image, and how to change your background with motion graphics. So to start with, we are going to first how to use the image, how to put image in your background. So click the plus sign here, and then click look for image like this, and will show up image. Make it as is, or you can change the name of your image, but let's make it image. Okay, and then click browse here, and then look for image in your computer, whether it is a picture here like this one. Yeah, like look for image if you want. So let's say this is your image, and then click OK. As you can see here in the left side, the image is showing up here. You can resize it and drag it anywhere you want. So to be able to make it balance, you can use the transform and then fit the screen. Or if you are not satisfied, you can use the transform again and then stretch the screen. Or you can use this one and then fit to screen or center to screen. So this is how, but the best is you can also click the shift and then stretch anywhere you want like this one. And then where is now your video, your image, your own image is here. So you are going to click the video and then put it on top of the image. So that is how you can change the background. And then if you want to make it appear like you are in the image, you are going to change the background here. So right click on the green screen, then right click on the green screen here, choose filters, and then click the plus sign here, and then look for chroma key, click OK, and then green, click the green screen, and then adjust the smoothness, similarity, and then brightness. So if you are satisfied with your the green screen background must be solid like this one, and then click close. Voila, you can see your picture here in against the background. Yeah, it is blended with the background. Okay, then if you want to make it transition, click the transition here, and then you are showing up on the background. So that is how to change the background. Now if you now the second one that I'm going to teach you is how to put or to change the background using motion graphics. And first, what you're going to do is to download motion graphics from your computer using also with YouTube. Punta na tayo sa dito sa ating new tab. Open ka ng YouTube. Yan, maghanap tayo ng non-CTR background video. Background video. Yan. 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 100% royalty. Yan. So, pipili kayo dito. So, bago kayo mag-download, titingnan nyo muna. Baka meron niyang intro-outro. So, yan. Pipiliin nyo dyan. Kailangan wala siyang intro-outro. Okay, wala. So, kailangan yan. Copy nyo lang itong URL. Hit Ctrl-C. And then, i-download natin yan. Ang ginagamit ko, en.savefrom.net. Ayan. So, nasa inyo na yun kung anong ginagamit yung downloading software. Pero ito lang ginagamit ko. Paste nyo lang dito yung pinapin natin kanina. Then, be sure na MP4 siya. So, i-download natin ito. Hit download. Ayan. Nakikita nyo dito sa side na to. Nandito na yung ating dina-download. So, kapag naka-download na siya, show in folder. Ayan. Motion graphics. Ayan. This one. Ito na. And then, ayan. So, kung nakikita nyo, pwede na yan. So, pupunta na tayo ngayon dito. Tingnan nyo kung saan nandun. Nandito ito sa computer, local PC, user, Windows 7, download. So, tandaan nyo yun, ha? Baka mawala kayo. Okay, pwede na natin i-close to. Kasi download na natin. And then, go to your go back here. Then, punta na tayo dito. So, para maipasok natin, kailangan nasa itaas tayo, no? So, look for your video capture and bring it sa pinakamataas. So, ayan, transition na ulit tayo. So, kailangan palabasin natin yung motion graphics na ilalagay natin. So, what you are going to do is hit plus and then choose the video source. Hanapin yung video source or media source. Ayan. Media source 2. So, okay. Whatever you want, you can change the name. But I will remain it as is. Hit OK. And then, look for browse. Around here and use. This one is the one what we are looking. Open. And then you can see here the tick loop. Check the loop so that the background will be played in the loop or endlessly. Okay. So nakikita nyo wala pa. So until you will hit transition, it will not show up. Yan. Click transition and then you can see it is showing up. Ayan. So, pero nakikita nyo, ayan, natakpan yung aking picture. Pero kung makikita nyo, pwede natin naman kasi nasa taas yung media source natin dito. So, kailangan yung video capture device is bring it to the top. Nasa ilalim na yung ating background. So, para lumabas yun, kailangan natin gawin yung chroma key. So, to be able to make it transparent, the green screen, right click on the green screen and then choose filter, and then click, you can see here effect filter, click plus, see the chroma key, look for the chroma key, click the chroma key, then hit OK. You can see here the screen is showing up now. Yan, green screen. And then you can make it similarity. The green screen must be in a solid color like this one, and then hit close, and then you can see here, voila, I am showing up with the background motion graphics. In the here in my background is a motion graphic. You can make it smaller. Your picture you can make your picture smaller or bigger. So it's up to you. You want also to make it smaller. You can make it smaller. Then your picture, you can make your picture smaller also. Like that one. So when you hit transition, and then it will show up here. Your background here you can make it bigger also. So if you want to show up what you are doing in your screen, you can make it here. And if you will play your video, you can make some showing up your video. Let's say for example your channel. You can show your channel and make a channel review like this one. And you are still not subscribed to my channel at nagustuhan nyo ang aking tutorial na ito, hit like, subscribe, and click the notification